Let me spell it out for you, friends. The Autumn 2023 Perks Pack is an A for amazing. The products in this pack are some of Couture's latest fan favorites and includes brand new items from our Autumn 2023 collection. Now, 2 of our swoon-worthy new services are included with this pack. The letterboard with 24 reusable chalkable chips white tiles. This one is a must-have for its versatility and its personalization potential. And we are flipping out over the flip sign, y'all. Hello, goodbye, open, closed, say it all with this reusable surface again and again. And of course, we couldn't forget about the incredible transfers included, like framed autumn vibes, the letterboard font, and the beloved, on-trend, and adorable Highland cow. Let your creativity move with these beautiful designs and try them out with the new Leaves and Breeze Chalkology Paste Single Palette Pack, which includes our new limited edition On Vogue colors Hey Pumpkin, Moss, and Saffron. Now, your purchase of this Perks Pack also unlocks access to designer perks, like 40% off retail pricing, membership in our amazing community of creators, and the opportunity to share and sell Couture products online, at events, in workshops, and more. This pack retails for $290 US, $378 Canadian, but you can get it for just $99 US or $129 Canadian. For more details about how to get yours, talk to your independent designer or visit chalkcouture.com today.